Today, the Collier County Board of Commissioners is deciding on the future of mental health for one part of the county. The county's Planning Commission voted not to approve the expansion of the David Lawrence Center in Naples last year, but the vote also left the discussion up to the Collier County Board of Commissioners. And for tonight, still trying to see if a decision is coming. That's why Fox 4's Shari Armstrong has been spending the day checking this out firsthand. So Shari, what's the latest on this situation?
When you said spending the day, Chris, you were exactly right. This meeting started early in the morning, and just about a half an hour ago, the board finally voted 4-1 to move forward with the motion to rezone this area in Golden Gate, essentially meaning that that facility will move forward in development, expanding the David Lawrence Center and creating a central receiving facility for people who could use mental and behavioral assistance. It is a big deal for Collier County and for the Southwest Florida community. I want to take you inside of the meeting today to give you a further understanding of what this looks like. So let's be clear. Today's vote centered around just more than 5 acres, 64,000 square foot property with a 102-bed central receiving facility. That is a central location for the intake of mental and behavioral health services. It goes up in Golden Gate right next to the David Lawrence facility that's already been there for more than 47 years. And in today's meeting, standing room at one point, as a variety of people made their case for the expansion. So some wearing green, as you might see here on your screen, in support, but also some wearing red. And I want to make sure I'm very clear about their perspective. They pushed the board to vote no. I want you to hear from both sides this evening. As one woman put it today, quote, "We just want to be heard."
My daughter was Baker acted twice. The first time she was Baker acted, she slept in a mattress in the crisis unit because they were already over capacity. The second time she was Baker acted, they were going to move her over to Miami because they didn't have room for her here. And when your child's Baker acted, you only have 2 hours a day to see them. You can't touch them, you can't hold them. DLC was able to keep her here in county.
I'm not opposed to a new behavioral facility at all, but I don't agree with the location. I live across from the David Lawrence Center.
Patients, friends, and family.
So as you can see, very passionate perspectives from people here during public comment today, sharing how this could impact their community. Some of the residents that were in red there saying they were concerned about safety. Well, we heard from Sheriff Kevin Rombas today, who said he supports working with the David Lawrence Center to see how they could further have communication about safety, although the center and the sheriff and others in the room said that the facility itself is already very safe, although some residents there sharing other perspectives and other stories and experiences. However, the green side there supporting the expansion, essentially the winning side today, and that 4-1 vote, therefore moving forward with an expansion of the David Lawrence Center. Live in Naples, Shari Armstrong, Fox 4.